making chicken thighs. First ingredient is oil, but the ingredients are pepper, Himalayan salt, oil, and some lemons. And the temperature you need the oven to be at is 350. So the first ingredient is oil. Ooh. And both sides. So the next step would be to put pepper. Then the next step would be salt, Himalayan salt or any salt would do. Good. So the next step would be to put your lemon. I would consider a whole lemon but cut in half. Okay, the next step. So the last step is to cook the chicken thighs for about 45 minutes. I'll see you in 45 minutes. Now, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like the video. And see you on our next vlog.